What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nebula, my daughter. She's gonna be joining us in this video today. She gonna witness the room makeover. Trust that. We got a lot of stuff to do today, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Basically, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be rearranging my room. With everything that I bought and how I'm gonna rearrange the room, I'm hoping that it just looks better, feels better, and just does its job, because this is crazy. Disclaimer, I don't live like this. We don't live like this. Enjoy the video, because I know I'm gonna enjoy this process. We're gonna start doing this right now. We're not wasting no time. Let's get right to it. All right, so this is where I'm at right now. I put the bed there. The desk is there now. I was just thinking about what to do with this and then what to do with that. Mostly what to do with this and then what to do with the sneakers. Basically what I'm gonna do right now to eliminate all this, I'm just gonna throw all these clothes on the bed and then we're gonna start fitting things into areas that, you know, might work. Alright, so basically we got a lot done. We were able to move everything into where we wanted. So now that I have pretty much everything where I want it to be, basically the setup of the room that I had in mind, I'm gonna move on to eliminating these clothes. I ordered another dresser like this so it could go side by side with this one. So that's where all these clothes are gonna go. They're gonna go right into the second dresser. That way I'm eliminating some, you know, garbage. Right now we're just gonna get to opening the dresser, building it up, and then we're gonna put it right next to you.